So Peter here from Comfort Zone. We're just down here with Angie, and unfortunately our company let Angie down a bit. We didn't quite do our job properly the first time. The team didn't clean up properly with the aircon, and that caused a leak and caused a problem. So Angie, that was 12 months ago. She's identified the problem and had a ceiling stain, as it were, but we've come back today and we've fixed it up for you. So how did you find that service for it?
I found communicating with you was excellent, and your response was very appreciated. We had two problems at once: hail damage as well as a leak in the ceiling, and not knowing what was what. Finding out that there was a bit of an issue with the comfort, so rectifying that was easy. So once it's, I'm very happy with the service.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm really pleased that we've been able to come back and fix it up for you. There was a couple of little issues, and I wouldn't have been happy with that job if I'd done it. So I'm very pleased that we had the opportunity to come back and fix it for you.
Thank you for your help.
Bye.
Bye.